Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to fix USAA mobile app crashing. For that, make sure to watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. First of all, go ahead and open your app store. Here we're going to see whether your app needs an update or not. In the search box of your app store, type down USAA mobile. After that, you will be able to see a open or update sign besides the USAA mobile. So if there is an update sign instead of open, go ahead and update your USAA mobile app. So after that, go back to your home page and open your settings. In the settings, you'll be able to see various options, and on the first option of the third sector, you'll see general. Go ahead and tap on general. Here, scroll down until you find iPhone storage. You'll find it on the first option of third sector. Go ahead and tap on it. What we're going to do here is we're going to clear the cache of USAA mobile app. So after all the app gets loaded, scroll down until you find USAA mobile app. After you find it, go ahead and tap on it. After you tap on it, you'll be able to see a offload app written box. Offloading app will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. You'll have to reinstall the app in order to use the application again. Go ahead and tap on offload app. After that, a menu will pop up, tap on offload app again, and then it might take a while and a reinstall app button will appear. Go ahead and tap on reinstall app. After you tap on reinstall, it might take a while, then your application will be reinstalled instantly. Now go back to your home page and open your USAA mobile application, and then you'll be able to use USAA mobile application without crashing. So that's how you fix a USAA mobile crashing issue. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.